Agadir, Argan Oil, Moisture Masque with Keratin Protein, 8 fluid ounces, 227 grams. Product Overview Description. Made with Argan Oil Certified Anti-Color Fade for long-lasting hair color, deep repair, smooths, strengthens, protects and shines. Ideal for use on all hair types. Humidity resistant and dries hair 40% faster. Keratin Protein Vitamin E not tested on animals. Agadir Argan Oil with Keratin Protein Moisture Masque. Keratin Protein Moisture Masque repairs badly damaged hair from hot tools and chemical services in just a few treatments. Enriched with antioxidants, vitamin E and keratin protein to nourish and mend split ends and frizzies back to life. Creates elasticity, easy combining and luxurious shine. Suggested use. Preferably, shampoo with Agadir Moisturizing Shampoo. Towel dry slightly. Apply moisture mask generously on wet hair. Comb through evenly. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse. Style as usual. Use twice weekly until damage is repaired. Then, use only once weekly for protection from hot tools. Other ingredients: water, aqua, cetyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, styralconium chloride, dimethicone, keratin amino acids, arganeous-spinosaccharin oil, argan oil, sodium chloride, panthenol, silk amino acids, phospholipids, retinol palmitate, ascorbyl palmitate, tocopherol acetate, ethoxyl glycol, propylene glycol, butylene glycol, glucose, lactic acid, acylamilephylium, yarrow, extract, Tussilago farfara, colt's foot, leaf extract, Rosmarinus officinalis, rosemary, leaf extract, Orchidalica, nettle, extract, Salvia officinalis, sage, leaf extract, Betula alba leaf extract, Equisetum ardens, horsetail, extract, calcium pentophenate, inositol, sorbic acid, salicylic acid, potassium sorbate, tartaric acid, caramel, sodium benzoate, phenoxyethanol, titanium dioxide, fragrance, perfume, benzobenzoate. Warnings. Caution: avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, flush with water. Keep out of reach of children. Do not ingest. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.